Hello coders, welcome back to Daily Coding. Today we are going to discuss daily temperature problem. So let's begin how to solve this and what is the problem exactly. So in the daily temperature problem, we have to find, suppose in the first day temperature is 73, in the second day temperature is 74, so this is greater than this one. So here we result will be 1. Next, after one day temperature is higher. In the 74, next day is 75. So here it will be the 1. So after one day, the temperature is high. After 75, 71 is not greater. Then we have to check next element. 69, 69 is also not greater. And then we have to check 72. 72 is also not greater. Then we have to check 76. 76 is greater than 75. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth day the temperature is higher. So result will be the 4 here. And then 71, this is not greater, 72 is greater. So after 2 days it's higher temperature. And then 61, 72 is the higher temperature. And after 72, 76 is higher. So one day, and 76, this is not higher, so here we can see this is -1, and so after 73 also we don't have any higher temperature, so result will be the -1. So let's see here. Given an array of integer temperature represent the daily temperature, return an array answer such as answer I is number of days you have get after the ith day to get a warmer temperature. If there is no future day for which this possible keep answers equal to 0. So in place of here I can -1, it should be 0. So if temperature is no higher of that day, we have to write 0. So how we'll solve this problem? Here we have to start from the end. We'll write iterate the loop from the end, and we'll push this index value of in stack, and we'll see is this temperature is higher than this. If no, so this is the current. Suppose we are inserting this one, and 73 is the last, so we don't have any other higher temperature. So here we'll put the in the array. In the array we'll put first 0, because after that we don't have value, and we'll insert this index. Index will be the 7. So here we have 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will insert this 7 index in the stack. We'll insert 7 in the index, and we'll check is this is greater than this. If not, then we have to return 0 here. If not, then we have to write here stack dot peak minus I. So suppose we are on the 72, this index 5th index, and we are already value is 6 index here, and this is greater than this. So we have to 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. You will get the result 1 here. And here it will check in the fourth index. This is greater than this. In the fourth index, this value is greater than this. So it will be the 5 minus 1. 1 result will be here. And in the 71, this 3 index is greater. So this is not value. This is value is available here. So 5 minus 3, 2. So this result will be 2. And in the fourth, this 75 second index, this on the 6th index, this value is greater than 75. So we'll get the result 6 minus 2 equal to 4 here. And for 74, 75, so here it will result in 1. And in the 73, 74, so it's 1 minus 0, so 0. So it will be the 1. So this is the way we'll find the solution. And if value will be not stack is empty and the value will be not greater than, then we have to pop the index from the stack. So let's see the solution and then we'll start writing the code. So first we have to implement monotonic stack approach, and time complexity will be O of n and space complexity will be also O of n because we are creating one stack. And first we have to get the result integer. We have to process it. We have to iterate through temperature, and then while not stack not empty and current loop is temperature is greater than stack top element, then we have to pop index from stack and calculate this thing using current index minus popped index and push index to stack. So let's write the code first. Yeah. So here we have to first create one stack and we put any name stack new stack and integer again equal to, we'll find the temperatures of length and we have to create one result array where we'll give the result new integer and the size will be the same temperature array. And now we'll start integer I equal to n minus 1. So we have to iterate from the end. I should be greater than equal to 0. I minus minus. First we have to check while stack is not empty. Stack is not empty and temperature of stack dot peak is less than equal to current index. So if the right hand side value is less than, then we'll not get the higher temperature. In that case we have to pop that elements. Temperature I. In that case what we have to do, we have to pop stack dot pop because that is not useful. And if stack dot size equal to 0, then we have to set result I equal to 0, because in that case we don't, in the stack we don't have any element, then we don't have any higher temperature. In that case we have to set 0 value, else in the result of 5 we have to stack dot peak minus current index. So here we see that we are current index minus stack dot pick this value, we have to remove that one, negative that one, and then we'll get the result. And in the end we have to push index of I, and after that we have to return result of I. And let's run this code. Here we have some value. And no need to provide the result, just need to return the result. And here we can see this is solved. We have to submit the code, and we are able to submit all the code. So here we'll see one more time. So in the first we are iterating from the end, and here 7 is inserted, and after that the second loop 6 will be inserted, and we will check is this value is greater than this. No. Then what we have to remove this one. So this will be removed. We have to remove this one. This value will be removed, and then 6 will be insert here. 6 will be insert in the stack. After that it will check it's 66 greater than 72, then yes. Then what will do, it will be 6 minus 5, 1, and then 5 will be also inside. So next value will be here 5. Again our loop will be come here 69, and it will check is 72 is greater than 69, yes. Then it will get the result 5 minus 4, 1, and it will give the one result, and 4 will be insert here in the stack. 4 will be insert. Let me write here also value. So 0 0, and then this 1 value, and then again 1 value, and again it will check 71 is greater than 69. No, in that case we have to pop the element. So we have to pop this 4 value. 4 will be removed. 4 will be removed, and 5 will be remaining. Again it will check it's 71 is greater than 72. Yes. Then we have to here will return the negative the value 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and that will be the result here. Now it will check from 75 is 75 pitch, and we are inserting this index. 3 index will be insert here. Now it will check 75 is greater than 71. No. Then we have to pop this element. So this value will be removed, and again it will check each 75 is greater than 69? No. And this will be also removed. Then it will reach here. 76 is greater than that, and then 69. So here will 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So we'll get this result. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. And this 2 will be added here. This stack. So here it will be the 2 and then 4. And we'll check, is this current element is less than, then yes, then we'll return 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and 1 here, 1 will be go, and then it will in our array, result array, 1 will become, and in the end, and it will check, is current element is less than peak element? Yes, then 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, it will be the 1, and then will return will be here, 1 value will become 1 and 1. So our final array will be like this: 2, 1, 0 and 0. So using this approach, we are able to solve our problem, and I hope it's very clear. It's very important questions. Lots of question on the same pattern, like if you can try to find the greater element, so you can use the same pattern. We have to iterate from end of the loop, and then we have to insert the value in the stack, and we'll start checking the top element and it compare with the current element. If its current element is less than, then we have to pop the element. If current element is, so using this approach we can solve this problem. I hope it's clear, and if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I'll try to provide the answer for that. And thanks for watching. Please start writing the code and trying to solve the problem. Thank you all. Please like and subscribe.